So today we're going to take a look at the brand new Galaxy S25 Edge from Samsung. Its latest addition to the Galaxy S25 series. Its main claim to fame is being a slim phone but with premium functions and features. Let's see how it goes. So as you can see here, we've got one in our hand, 5.8 millimeters thick, and it's got a titanium build and frame. Samsung says this is a new design from the ground up. This isn't one that they've bodged together from various part bins. And here we've got the specs. As you can see, it's a Snapdragon 8 Elite. There's an AMOLED display with QHD plus resolution, 128Hz refresh rate, 12 gig of RAM, up to 512 gig of storage, UFS 4.0 of course, IP68 protection. There's a 200 megapixel main camera, the same one that's used in the S25 Ultra, that has OIS, and the secondary camera is a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and that takes care of macro mode as well. Now, where the similarly sized Galaxy S25 Plus has a 4,900 mAh battery, the Edge makes do with 3,900. Okay, so there is that difference. Samsung still claims it's good for all-day battery life. So it's got 25 watts wired charging, 15 watt wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging is also included. So here you can see the three colors: icy blue, jet black, and of course the titanium silver, which we've just seen previously. All nice enough colors. These are the different camera modes, and we've got expert RAW, slow motion, portrait, and more in terms of options. Samsung does say that all of its AI features will be present on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, just like it is on the rest of the S25 series. Samsung says the most commonly used AI feature on its phones is circled search. In the UK, the Galaxy S25 Edge starts from £1,099, which is roughly £100 more than the regular Galaxy S25 Plus. The Edge has much better camera, whereas the Plus has a larger battery. So it's pros and cons, whichever one you decide is more pertinent to your usage and feel, for better or worse. So anyway, this has been Peter from Talk Android. Thanks for watching our videos. We will be coming back soon with more how-to videos and even a couple of unboxings. Take care now. Bye-bye.